Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to make Arc the default browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open the Arc browser. Here on the top menu bar, click on Arc. Here click on Set as Default Browser and you will get this kind of prompt. Currently, Safari is the default browser. So if you want to change it to Arc browser, then click on Use Arc, and it will change the default browser to Arc. There is also another method. For that, simply open System Settings. Here click on Desktop and Dock, and here look for Default Browser. From the Default Browser drop-down menu, simply select the Arc browser. Now the Arc browser has been set as the default browser on your macOS. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.